How to edit video in CapCut app. This is going to be a step-by-step CapCut video editing. Okay, so before we dive right into the practical, my name is Nonye and this is Nonye Tutor Zone. On this channel, we create tutorial videos on how to make money online and YouTube growth tips. If that's the kind of content that you love, do well to like, share, comment and subscribe. Okay, so let's just dive right into the video. Okay guys, so this is your CapCut app. Okay, for you to edit that video, you must first of all import the video you want to work on. Okay, so you've already created the video, is in your file or is in your gallery or anywhere you have saved that particular video. Okay, so all you need to do, you need to import it to this CapCut app. So what you need to do, you see here they say new project. Okay, just go ahead and click on it. It will take you to your gallery where you will choose the video you want to edit. Let's say, okay, I want to edit, let's just choose this particular one. Okay, let me just choose that one for example.
Hello,
Okay,
my beautiful.
so let's say this is the one I want to work with. Okay, so what I need to do next, you see here they say add. Okay, just go ahead and click on add. Okay, so once you click on add, it will bring you to this place. The next thing you just need to do is to come to your aspect ratio. Just scroll and come to your aspect ratio. This is your aspect ratio. Okay, just go ahead and click on it. The reason why we are going to aspect ratio is to choose the particular video you want to work on. Do you want to work on Facebook video, or you want to work on TikTok video, or you want to work on Instagram video, or you want to work on YouTube video? Okay, so if you want to work for TikTok or Facebook video, just come here and click on this 9:16 because it is a straight video. Just come here and click over here, you see 9:16. Okay, for any TikTok or Facebook video you get over here. Okay, so but for today's video we will be using YouTube video as an example. Okay, so this place you see 16:9 is YouTube video. Whenever you want to create any YouTube video, okay, this is where you come. So you go here and choose the aspect ratio. Okay, so once you choose the aspect ratio, the next is for you to come here. Okay, click here, and that's that for this one. So what next you need to do is for you to make sure you edit your video. After you have chosen the aspect ratio, the next is for you to just edit your video. Okay, you have to play the video and cut out every unwanted part. Let's say for instance, you can see my hand is not showing clearly. Okay, this place I might decide to cut it off. So, and how can I cut it off? I will just come here, tap on it. See what I did, this particular place now. Okay, this your video, just come here and tap on it. Once you click on it, okay, it has highlighted. The next thing is for you to look for that particular place and you click on split. See here, you say split, click on split. Now it has splitted the video into two. Okay, all you need to do now that it has splitted the video into two, this other part that it has splitted into two, you just need to tap on it. Once you tap on it, you go here, see here they say delete, you delete it. Okay, so let's say now you want to crop out this side from here to here. Anyway, you just want to cut out that is not good, or you didn't say something nice, or you as it's not necessary in the video, just tap on it. Once you tap on it, it shows this white thing on it, then you click on split. Okay, then you look for the other end of that particular place you want to split again. Okay, you go and click on split, then you choose that place you want to remove. Okay, once you click on it, it shows white like this. You come here and see here they say delete, click on delete. Okay, so after you have done all the necessary for this CapCut, this thing for you to remove it, just come here, click on here. Okay, once you click on it, you delete. Okay, so that CapCut will not be showing at the end of your video. Okay, so let's say you are finished editing your video. The next thing is for you to come and add maybe effects to your video. Okay, this beginning part, you wouldn't just want it to just start like
My
this.
beautiful
Okay,
people.
so you wouldn't want it to just start, so you need some effect. Okay, so that people will not know that you have cut out something of that particular place. You come here, you see here they say effect, you click on effect. Okay, you click on video effects. Okay, you can just come and add anything, like it can be zoom, it can just look for the ones that are free, okay, because all these ones are pro, okay. If you're a pro, if you're in pro version, okay, you can go ahead and use any of these pro this thing. But if you're not in pro version, you see these ones that are free, just go ahead and choose the free ones, okay. They still have others that are free, okay. So whichever one you want to use, okay, just look for the free option and go ahead and use it. So we'll just be using one. Let's say we use this particular one,
For my beautiful
okay, and
people.
we'll click OK. So we can decide to shorten it to how long or how short you want it to just show, okay. So
For my beautiful
you
people.
see how that place is now, okay. If at all you don't want to add this, if you are in the pro version, you can just come and choose any
For
pro
my beautiful
effects,
people.
okay, and just add it, okay.
For my
So
beautiful
this is
people.
how it is,
Guys, I
okay.
woke and honest
You can decide to shorten it the way you want, okay. To shorten it, once you just hold here, you can increase it or you shorten it anyhow you want it, you get.
for
So
my
that is
beautiful
the effect.
people.
So every place you have cut out, make sure you add an effect, do you get. Let's go back. So make sure you add an effect. So go back and click on effect, video effect. So that particular place, okay, just click, let's use this
And
one. So once you add an effect, people will not know what actually happened in that
guys, I woke
place.
and honestly,
People will not know that you have cut off that place or there's something that is actually wrong with that place, okay. So let's say for example, if you didn't put all this effect, people will know the mistakes that you have done or how you cut off something. They will know that you have removed some clip or you have removed something. But with this effect will confuse them, okay. When they are watching your video, all those places that you cropped, okay, you can decide to
guys, I
put
woke and
something,
honestly,
you see. So once you put something there that you've cut, okay, then you will
guys,
see
I woke
that
and
the video will not be
honestly,
nice, okay. Nobody will even figure out what the mistake that you have done there. I hope this is clear. So the next thing you need to learn about CapCut editing is overlay, okay. Let's say you are doing a tutorial, okay. You want to teach somebody something and you have a pre-recorded um thing, you have, maybe you have recorded in your phone or something. Let's say okay, let me add something. Okay, you come here, click overlay. You see here anything you want to add, even if it's a picture or you're talking about somebody, or maybe you're talking about Mercy Johnson, for example, and you want to show them the picture of Mercy Johnson, okay, just come here. This place you see overlay, you click on it, okay, add overlay, okay. Just choose any picture that you have that you want to let me just choose anything. It can be a picture, it can be a video, anything you want to add as overlay, just go ahead and do so, okay. Let's just go to photo. Let me just add one picture, okay. Click on add overlay, go to your picture, add anybody's picture. Let me add this picture, okay. So I can decide to resize it and put it here. Maybe I'm talking about something and I want them to see what I'm talking about, okay. You get. So that's just, it's as simple as ABC. If it's for video, same thing, click on it and still go to the video you want to select, okay. Just maybe select a video. Let's just choose any video, okay. Let me just choose, which video should I do? Okay, let me just add this video now, okay. So you can decide to push it this way and
for
be
my
doing your
beauty.
video, you get. So it's as simple as that. That's all for overlay, okay. That's all for overlay. So the next thing I need to teach you guys is, let me delete this, okay. If you want to delete anything, you want to delete, once you tap on it, just click on delete and it's off, okay. So another thing I need to teach you is text, to add text to your video, okay. Once you want to add text, come here and click on text, okay. Add text, okay. Type in what you want to, how to make money, okay. Let's say this is my text, how to make money, okay. So maybe that is what you want to add as text. Then you can come here and choose the font that you want, okay. You can choose any font. Okay, let me choose this italics. Okay, sometimes I do like this. Okay, so you can come and choose style. What style do you want it? Is it this style? Okay, I always go for this style. This is my go-to, but you can go for any style that you like. They have different style. Just go ahead, choose what you like. Okay, so the next thing is effect. How do you want it to appear? Is it you want any effect? You can just go ahead, choose what works for you. Let me choose this first one. Choose what works for you. Animation. Okay, just keep playing around until you get the perfect what you are looking for. Okay, this animation is just how you want it to appear. You get, so most of them are pro features, but they still have some free some free features like this typewriter. Okay, I might just click on it.
my
Okay, you
beautiful
can see it will be,
people.
this is the way it will appear. Typewriter appears as you are talking, is appearing. Do you get?
My beautiful
See how
people.
to make money, so like that. So you can choose float download, any
My
particular
beautiful
one
people.
you choose, the way you want it to appear. That is what animation is all about, the style at which you want it to appear. Do you get? So for bubbles, all these ones is just how, same thing, is just play around with it. The more you are clicking on them, you know what you want. You can decide to do it this way. Okay, choose whatever works for you. Just play around whatever you like. It depends on the kind of video. That is why I cannot just talk about just a particular one, because it depends on the kind of video you want to create. Okay, so just go ahead, do you. Okay, so guys, that's all for writing. Okay, so let's just leave it at that. Okay, so that's all for writing. So at this point I will just delete it. Okay, so let's move to another stage. Okay, so now another thing I need to teach you guys is on audio. This is the audio part. Okay, click on audio. Okay, let's say you want to add a sound. Okay, once you come here, click on sound. Okay, once you click on sound, if you already have a sound that you have already, maybe background music, you have already gone to YouTube library to download it, just click on this place. See this place here, this is your memory. Okay, where you have your downloaded downloaded stuff. Okay, once you click on that place, click on device. These are the ones in your device. Okay, I already have these ones. These are most of the background music that I use sometimes, so I already have them here. Just go ahead and choose. Okay, so always go to YouTube library to download background music because of copyright, guys. Don't just come on CapCut and choose any music of your choice. Always go and download. Go and download from YouTube library. YouTube library is your go-to for any background music, okay, to avoid copyright wahala. Do you get? So that's all for that. Okay, if you don't even have music, maybe you want to record your voice, just like what I am doing. I'm teaching you guys a tutorial and I'm recording it with my voice. Okay, so if you want to record your voice, once you click on this sound, come to record. You see here they say record. Click on it. Once you click on it, you see this blue part. So just tap on it, okay, to count 1 2 3. Then it will tell you to start recording. At this point now, you are recording whatever you are saying. At this point, see, it's counting for you. 0809. You see, it's counting for you downwards here. It's counting. So at the end of the day, once you are done, you click on this place. Okay, click on it and click on this place, guys. So that's just it, and your voice will be there. Okay, your voice will be there, whatever you
Guys,
have
I woke
recorded.
and honest.
Okay, so that's just all about that particular part. Okay, so another thing I need to teach you as a beginner, there's a lot to learn on this CapCut app. This video is already long, so I'm just showing you guys the most important one as a beginner. Okay, so the things that you just need to know, because if I'm to teach this CapCut, there's a lot of things you need to learn. Okay, another thing I need to teach you is the sticker. You see here they say sticker. You can decide to come here and choose any sticker of your choice. If you want the subscribe, any sticker have its own. If you click here, you can add emoji. If you want a subscribe, click here
My
to
beautiful
get the
people.
subscribe. Okay,
Guys, I
so once you click it, you do it the way you want it, and put the subscribe anywhere you like, okay, and click this place you see here, click on it and adjust it to all the video length. Do you get? So and it will just be there, okay. So guys, this video is already long. In my next video I will still go further in the teaching. CapCut is, in fact, is not just one thing. In fact, there's a lot to learn concerning CapCut. So in my next video, I'll be showing you how you can use the CapCut AI. Okay, to do. There's a lot to learn on this CapCut, but for today's video is just beginner friendly. This is just a beginner video. Okay, just the main things a beginner is supposed to know when creating a video or when editing a video. Do you get? So that's all for it. Do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to like. Do not forget to share. Do not forget to comment. Okay. If you've gained value, please say it in the comment section that I gained value. It will also encourage me to do more. Okay. Once you are always supporting me, you always saying something in the comment section, it will encourage me to do more. Once you share my videos to get to more people, for more people to get to know my channel, it will also encourage me to do more. Okay, so guys, just do that and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. I love you guys. Bye.